Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your HP ENVY X360. To do it, just go to the Start button, then click on this button right here and click on Shutdown, and it'll shut down immediately. Or if your device freezes, then there is another method to force shut it down, but it's not recommended. So if you don't need to use it, then you should use the standard shutdown option as I've shown you earlier. But if something freezes and you need to force shut it down, then press and hold on this button until the light goes down from this button. And now it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.